worldwide, challenging scenarios of land, air, and maritime warfare, alongside outlines of terrorism, crime, illegal immigration, marine pollution, and more, pose complex requirements and increase the need for using unmanned aerial systems. The increasing operational need for UAS also increases the need for available and well-trained operational and technical personnel to face the complex tasks and growing level of responsibility. As an answer to the increasing training challenges, Israel Aerospace Industries, a global leader in UAS development, operation, and training, is introducing IAI UAS Academy. Our knowledge, your performance. The UAS Academy centralizes all training services and provides a novel training experience in a generic and cross-platform concept, addressing all UAS personnel. The training in the Academy is based on theoretical training by CBT and semi-simulators for acquiring basic skills, intensive use of a UAS mission trainer UMT as a flight hour replacement, and also flight line services. The Academy offers diverse training and qualification tracks of operators and technicians in basic and advanced stages, courses for special payload operators, mission commanders and instructors, operational qualification workshops, and advanced crew exercises. All training is carried out by qualified, highly experienced instructors and based on IAI's experience with a range of customers in many destinations around the world. IAI UAS Academy concentrates all training services and addresses all UAS personnel and platforms to provide its customers with a quality solution to their increasing operational needs. IAI UAS Academy. Our knowledge, your performance.